Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to back up chat on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, click on the settings button down below and then tap on chats. Then you should click on the third option, chat backup, and here you have the backup now button to back up your chat history and media to iCloud. So if you lose your phone, your chat history is safe. So tap on this button and then it will get prepared, as you can see, but you can also turn on the auto backup function. Daily, weekly, monthly options are available, but you can also disable it by the off button. Here you can include videos by tapping on this button. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.